This is the video tutorial about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site Fastapps.monster. Fastapps.monster is a dangerous site. It may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site tries to make you download some malicious file. Well, recently my friend was dealing with some of these links like this one, and he actually downloaded that file, which actually messed up his computer. I had to go to him and fix his computer, and I had to waste a lot of time doing that. So because of these links, such as Fastapps.monster, a lot of damage can be made to your computer. It can be infected with adware, with malware and other junk. So I recommend you to leave this page. Also, scan your system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching your system with its help to detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.